Before you start building HTML forms, you must add all the masters required for the application along with employees and users. HTML forms are based on the document. You cannot create HTML form without a document. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a simple HTML form from the existing available forms. We will start with a customer details form. To add customer details form to the application, first create your customer details document. Refer to our document creation tutorials to learn how to create documents. Links are in description. Once the document is ready, click on database icon either from the index page or a view page. This will open a new page. System will automatically inherit the form name from the document name. You can change this name if you wish to, but we recommend you keep it as it is from the reference point of view. System will create a copy of the original document and display it on the page. You can make changes to this document. These changes will not be written back to the original document. Your original document will remain as is. Based on this copy, you can build the HTML form. Every form must have either title or name field. You can choose any of these from radio button. Then, click on Available Forms panel. Click on Download button below the Customer Details panel. This will load available fields into the HTML form builder. Scroll down to Table Sharing. This is your user access control section. System will automatically fetch all the branches, departments, designations and users with whom the original document is shared. You can add or remove these values to adjust the sharing. See the link in description to learn more about access control and how it works. Click Submit. That's it. Your HTML form is now ready and available for users for data entry. If you wish to modify the form, click on Forms icon at the top, then click on View Recreate icon. It will open a new page. Click on Recreate icon under Table Details panel. It will open a new form. Drag and drop any additional fields into the HTML builder. When you drag a field, click on cog icon to add field details like name. If the field is mandatory or not, if this field should be displayed on index page or not. Who can edit this field, if the field should be disabled on add form. In case of dropdown, if chose to which database table this field is linked to. After selecting these values, close the modal box, click Submit and your revised form will be ready. This form will be now available on User's Dashboard under Shared Custom Form section and also under Mega Menu at top. Based on the data entry schedule, users will either see +sign to add a new record or if the record is already added, they will see the edit icon for the last saved record. Users can click any of these icons. This would open a data entry form. This form will also have an editable document or spreadsheet which users can fill along with the form. When users submits the form, document or spreadsheet is also saved along with the data. Users can send these records for approval if they are not admin or approvers. We will learn about the approval process in another video.